let's get something for those wings going down. Pull up our weaponizer, mechanical again, go to design. Let's go for spacecraft power down. All right, we'll take a listen to this one. Well, there's definitely some elements in there I'd like to use. Take out a variation. Let's shorten. Let's take our saturation on that. Drive it up a bit. So let's knock down our speed a little more. Changing all of our start times here. Record this in. I think that's gonna work really great. Let's just pop off an explosion to get our hyperdrive going here. We can look under weapons or battle bundle or explosions. Let's see if we got an explosion here that we're gonna like. And let's just make a copy of it and do the good old sound designer trick, reverse it, and we're gonna pop that right to where our planet comes in. Down to those tracks. Let's see how that works. Cool. And then we kind of need like a sonic boom or something here. I'm liking that. Can also maybe add a nice impulse response to the tail here. So that's for when our ship stops.